This video provides information about reemployment assistance identity theft. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. Identity theft occurs when someone uses another's personal information to take on their identity. In the case of reemployment assistance benefits, it could mean using another person's information, such as name, social security number, and employment information to get benefits they aren't entitled to. Identity theft is often discovered when the victim tries to file a claim for reemployment assistance benefits and one already exists for them. The victim receives an IRS Form 1099-G Statement of Benefits from the Department of Economic Opportunity. The victim's federal income taxes are stolen. The victim's employer is notified that a claim for benefits has been filed while the victim is still employed, or the victim receives a request for information from DEO. If you believe you are a victim of reemployment assistance identity theft, it is important that you report it to DEO immediately by calling 833-352-7759. You can also report reemployment assistance identity theft to DEO online. Go to their website at floridajobs.org and choose Reemployment Assistance Resources. Then choose Reemployment Assistance Help Center. Click on Report ID Theft Fraud and complete the form. For information on how to restore and protect your identity, download the DEO's Identity Theft Victim Kit from their website. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.